Hello and welcome back. Today, we're exploring a topic that's incredibly relevant in our fast-paced world: how to focus on yourself and how to be quiet. In a society that often glorifies noise and busyness, finding that inner peace can feel like a challenge, but it's essential for self-growth and well-being. If you're ready to discover practical ways to reconnect with yourself and embrace the power of quiet, then keep watching. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant barrage of information and distractions? It's easy to lose sight of yourself amidst the chaos. But focusing on yourself is not just important, it's necessary for your mental and emotional health. When you prioritize your own needs, you gain clarity, strength, and confidence to face life head-on. So, let's dive into some actionable strategies to help you focus on yourself and find tranquility in silence. Tip 1. Set aside me time. First, set aside dedicated me time. This is your sacred time to do whatever makes you feel relaxed and rejuvenated. Whether it's meditating, reading, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in silence, carve out time in your day specifically for yourself. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase as it becomes a part of your routine. Tip 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Next, you'll want to practice mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help you tune into your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Carving moments in your day to step back and meditate can significantly reduce stress and improve clarity. There are many guided meditations available online that can get you started. Tip 3. Limit distractions. Thirdly, limit distractions. In order to focus on yourself, you need to create a noise-free environment. This means turning off notifications on your phone, decluttering your space, and letting family or friends know that you need some time to yourself. It can be challenging at first, but creating a distraction-free zone is key to fostering a quiet mind. Tip 4. Journaling for self-reflection. Tip 4 is journaling for self-reflection. Writing down your thoughts and feelings is a great way to process your emotions and discover what truly matters to you. Set aside a few minutes each day to jot down your thoughts, dreams, and even things you're grateful for. It can be a powerful tool for self-discovery. Tip 5. Explore nature. Fifth, consider exploring nature. Nature has an incredible ability to calm the mind and rejuvenate the spirit. Take a walk in the park, hike a trail, or simply sit outside for a few minutes each day. The tranquility of the natural world can help you reconnect with yourself and drown out the noise of daily life. Tip 6. Find your passion and pursue it. Next, find your passion and pursue it. Engaging in activities that light you up is crucial for personal fulfillment. Whether it's painting, gardening, playing an instrument, or cooking, make time for what brings joy and peace into your life. This is a fantastic way to focus on yourself and embrace the quiet moments. Tip 7. Embrace solitude. Seventh, embrace solitude. Many people fear being alone, but solitude is a powerful tool for self-discovery. Find comfort in your own company. Spend some time alone without distractions. Allow your mind to wander, reflect, and simply be. This is where you'll often find your greatest insights. Tip 8. Limit social media usage. Eighth, consider limiting your social media usage. Social media can create unnecessary noise that distracts you from focusing on yourself. Set boundaries around your social media use. Perhaps designate specific times for checking in and stay aware of how it affects your mindset. Tip 9. Develop a quiet hobby. Ninth on our list, develop a quiet hobby. Find activities that promote calmness and require focus. This could be anything from gardening to painting or even puzzle solving. These hobbies allow you to immerse yourself in a tranquil space and promote a sense of fulfillment and serenity. Tip 10. Create a calm evening routine. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a calm evening routine. Wind down by turning off electronics, reading a book, or enjoying a warm bath. Creating a peaceful transition to bedtime can greatly improve your mental clarity the next day, helping you focus better on yourself. And there you have it, how to focus on yourself and how to be quiet. The journey to self-discovery and peace may take time, but it's a worthwhile endeavor. Remember, the world can be loud, but your inner world can be a sanctuary. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to self-awareness and tranquility. Until next time, take care.